Creamy beginnings. The ingredients assemble. Making ice cream is a fascinating journey. It's a blend of science and art, where each ingredient plays a vital role in creating the perfect scoop. It all starts with simple ingredients. These humble beginnings are transformed into something magical. We need fresh milk from the farm. This milk is the foundation, providing the creamy texture we all love. Don't forget the sugar, it makes it sweet. Sugar is essential not just for sweetness, but also for the smooth texture. And of course, we can't forget about the flavors like strawberries, chocolate, and vanilla. These flavors are what make each bite unique and delightful. These ingredients are the building blocks of our frozen treat. Each one is carefully measured and mixed to ensure the perfect balance. Each one plays a crucial role in the final taste and texture. Milk provides the creaminess. Sugar adds the sweetness. The flavors bring their own special touch. And the flavors? They bring the party to your mouth. Every spoonful is a celebration of these carefully chosen ingredients, coming together to create a symphony of taste. To eat yet. From liquid to delight, the Big Freeze. This is the journey of how a simple mixture of ingredients transforms into the delicious ice cream we all crave. It all starts with the finest ingredients, carefully measured and mixed to perfection. Here comes the coolest part. The mixture is poured into the ice cream maker where the magic begins. The excitement in the factory is palpable as the process kicks off. The ice cream mixture goes into a giant freezer. This isn't just any freezer, it's a marvel of modern engineering, designed specifically for ice cream production. But this isn't your ordinary freezer. It's equipped with advanced technology to ensure the perfect freezing conditions. Technicians monitor and adjust the settings meticulously. This freezer churns the mixture as it freezes. This is important. The churning process is crucial because it prevents large ice crystals from forming, ensuring a smooth texture. The churning introduces air into the mixture. Remember those air pockets? They play a vital role in the texture of the ice cream. They're what make ice cream light and fluffy. Without these air pockets, the ice cream would be dense and heavy. As the mixture freezes and churns, it gradually transforms. You can see it thickening, changing from a liquid to a more solid form. It goes from a liquidy soup to a soft serve consistency. This intermediate stage is crucial for achieving the perfect final product. Finally, it becomes the scoopable delight we all know and love, science in action. The end result is a testament to the precise science and art of ice cream making, ready to be enjoyed by everyone. That would be. Section 5. Scoops of happiness, ready for enjoyment. Imagine the joy of savoring a scoop of your favorite ice cream on a warm, sunny day. The vibrant colors, the rich flavors, and the creamy texture all come together to create a moment of pure bliss. Finally, our ice cream embarks on a journey to stores and ice cream shops. This journey is crucial to ensure that the ice cream reaches you in perfect condition, ready to be enjoyed. Trucks equipped with special freezers deliver the frozen cargo. These trucks are designed to maintain the ideal temperature, ensuring that the ice cream remains frozen and fresh throughout the journey. They make sure it stays perfectly chilled along the way. The temperature is constantly monitored to prevent any melting or spoilage, guaranteeing that the ice cream arrives in perfect condition. And there you have it. The journey from the factory to your local store is complete. Now, it's time to enjoy the fruits of this labor. The next time you grab a scoop of your favorite ice cream, you'll know the incredible journey it took to reach your spoon. Each bite, is a testament to the meticulous process and care that goes into making this delightful treat. From simple ingredients to a symphony of flavors and textures, it's a delicious reminder that science is pretty sweet. The combination of quality ingredients and precise techniques results in the perfect scoop ready to bring joy to your taste buds.